स्वनिदाभ्यो नमः सुवर्णमन्त्रपुष्पं समर्पयामि यानि कानि च पापानि चित्तानि च तानि पापोऽहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मा पापसम्भवः पाहि मां कृपया देव शरणागतवत्सल अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्षेश्वर नमस्कारान् अर्पयामि चित्रमाच्छादयामि चामराभ्यां विचामि नित्यन्द्रशयामि गीतं श्रावयामि अश्वानारोहयामि गजानारोहयामि वृषभानारोहयामि रथानारोहयामि समस्तराजोपयामि यस्य क्रियादिषु न्यूनं सम्पूज्यमीश्वरं मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं नित्येश्वर ललितायाग महोत्सवाङ्गत्वेन विशेषहोमेन श्री यज्ञेश्वरदेवता प्रीताः सुप्रसन्नाः वरदा भवन्तु सर्वं श्री यज्ञेशार्पणमस्तु। Please all repeat. स्वस्ति स्वस्ति श्रद्धां श्रद्धां मेधां मेधां प्रज्ञां बलं विद्यां आयुष्यं आरोग्यं तेजः श्रियं देहि मे अव्यवहन ओम नम इति रक्ष रक्ष यज्ञेश्वर रक्ष रक्ष माहेश्वर रक्ष रक्ष माहेश्वरी अत्यंत भस्म वायुवित भस्म जलवित भस्म स्थलवित भस्म व्योमेति भस्म त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकं श्रीकरञ्च पवित्रञ्च रोग शोक निवारकं लोके वशीकरं पुंसां तिलकं त्रैलोक्य पावनं रक्ष रक्ष माहेश्वर मत्रागानां सर्वेषां महाजनानां क्षेमस्थैर्यविजयभ्यायिरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याद्भुवन्तो महान्तरगण्डन्तो राजा राष्ट्रजमानाचार्यार्चक भक्तदासदासीना निश्चलाखण्ड श्रीदेवी पादारविन्द जानावस्ति भुवन्तो महान्तरगण्डन्तो ओम प्रोक्तस्यात्तमानायां सपदतो संकल्पप्रकारेण श्री ललितायाग महोत्सवकर्मणि सप्तमदिने प्रातःकाले महासाङ्गतासिद्ध्यर्थं महागणपति श्री महामृत्युञ्जय पाशुपतरुद्रहोम पूर्वक ललिताहस्रहोम पूजा कर्मणि मंत्रलोपे क्रियालोपे काललोपे नियमलोपे भक्तलोपे सत्तालोपे सत्यमपे यथोक्तं यथा शास्त्रानुष्ठितं भूयात् इति भवन्तो महान्तरगण्डन्तो ओम स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ओम श्री चक्रवासिन्यै नमः। ओम श्री ललिताम्बिकायै नमः। ओम श्री चक्रवासिन्यै नमः। ओम श्री ललिताम्बिकायै नमः। ओम श्री चक्रवासिन्यै नमः। ओम श्री ललिताम्बिकायै नमः। Raise both of your hands to the sky. ओम त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीसाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति Today Amrita Pasupata Mrityunjay Mahamantram is so powerful, beautiful. Give a big applause for Swami. In Sanatana Dharma, they mentioned a Brahmin must not think enough, no, we cannot chant this many mantras, no? He must not think like that. If he think like that, he is not a Pandit, he is not a Brahmin. A Veda Pandit have to chant. I never asked him to do this homa today. But Swami took, and how much time it took for him now? He is trained so much, no? He must not feel like that. I have to, mother, for the welfare of this country, he told. For the welfare of this country, let people have to be healthy, wealthy, peace in the country, peace for all the people, peace for the fields, peace for Mother Earth here, peace for people who are in the prisons, who are in the hospitals, peace for all the women, men, children, doctors, lawyers, for everybody have to peace. Politicians, all the children, everybody have to be peace. They mentioned all those things. So that's why we are expecting peace for all of you, for your families, for your children, for your friends, and for your animals, and for your homes, and for your entire life. And also this is so many chronic diseases are destroyed by this homa, so many challenges and mental commotions, unrest and unhappiness, sorrow, sadness, all the tragedies and tears and everything disappeared by this Amrita Mrityunjay Bija mantras are incredible, powerful there. It attracts the cosmic light of the Amrita Shakti from the cosmos, from the mantra mandalam. So that's why we got all these beautiful boons. Give a big applause for Sai Sarma Swami, Pardasarthi Swami, Acharya Garu. They brought this greatest boon for all of us. Vigra Prasad Swami, we love them so much like anything. They have come. We need not invite you, son. We need not invite. This is your program. You have to invite us for this program. మేము మిమ్మల్ని పిలవమండి, మీరే ఈ హోమం ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ చేసినా మీరే వచ్చి చేసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి. మేము పిలిచేది లేదు మిమ్మల్ని. మీకేం కన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు, మీరు మాకు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయాలి. We never give any confirmation to all of you, no? This is your program. We came from outside. We crossed the oceans. We came all the way from outside. All the Atlantis have to confirm us. Swamis have to confirm us. You have to confirm us. No, you are in this country, not us. You have to confirm us and bring beauty, peace, happiness, solace, harmony. Beautiful harmony. Nobody never speaks here a small harsh word. We never talk, only I am speaking not about myself. We are speaking about God only, no? God things and God stories and God's glory and God things we are speaking. Mantras we are speaking. Sanatana Dharma values we are speaking. How to live in the society, that things only we are speaking. So that's why we have no announcements, nothing here right now. No announcements, no mention anything. If you wish, you have to participate. If you don't wish, just sit and enjoy the homa. We need harmony, love, peace in the world. That's why this homa is not a commercial homa. It's a Lalitambika Mahayajnam. Billions of lifetimes we did punyas, merits, then we are eligible to come and sit here. So that's why Mother brought us, all of us here. So we request all of you, keep this ambience and silence in your heart, and then constantly chant mantras. Do some seva in these premises, and then coming back in the evening, chant mantras. Don't sit idly and you have to chant mantra, Lalita Sahasranaam mantra, Panchakshara mantra, Mrityunjay mantra. These Pasupata mantras Swami did for the all. He told 16 benefits and he chanted the slokas. You also in the Sankalpa, you did that mantras also. All the holy rivers, when we took the holy shower in the especially for the eclipse time, how many merits in the Kurukshetra, in all the holy rivers, know that much merits comes to us. Crores of Aswamedha yagas, Mahapunya Palitam, all the merits comes to us. and all of our pains and sorrows and all of our challenges disappear. Really, today who participate in the program, definitely I am sure all load will be destroyed by this wonderful, wonderful Mahapasupata Amrita Homa, including with the Rudra Homa combination. That is the combination of the, in the Rudra Mantra, one Pasupata Mantra, one Rudra Mantra, one Pasupata Mantra. It took 2 hours time for the recitation of that mantra. So that's why already we are entered into 3 o'clock 8 minutes. We already mentally prepared 3 o'clock. It took time. Mentally I already prepared all of you. Love you so much. Let us go. I will give prasadam for all of you. Thank you so much for your patience. How many people like these homas? They like so much. All our American children are so sweet. I am fortunate mother to having this many beautiful small babies. A fortunate mother, 22 years onwards I am with you. I heard all of your challenges. I loved you so much. How much you are taking care of me. You take care of Amma like your eyelid, no? Eyeball like eyelid, how you are, that much all of you are protecting my crew, all my organizers, all my babies and all the people who are supported. We have no friction all the 2 decades. No friction at all anywhere. No problem. All of you did a great job for me. I travel so much, no? I want to see more people. When we are traveling on the roads, we have to see the countrysides, see the situations, talk with the rivers, do meditations, all those things we did. We like Mother Earth so much. A lot of beautiful mountains, forests, desert, ice mountains, snow mountains. Jnana can travel, cross all of these things, no? Jnana cannot stay, river cannot stay. Jnana is the biggest flow, no? It have to travel so swiftly all over the world. So we brought beautiful nectar of the Sanatana Dharma knowledge to share with all of you. One day my mother, before my birth, she got a dream. One of a child comes and she sprinkles some water on all the people. She went to one of the Peethadipati and asked, and he told, you are going to give a birth to a child. She is going to sprinkle the knowledge all over the world. That she told to me. The truth, no? To share, I am not speaking about my knowledge, no? What Sanatana Dharma teaches to mankind, ancient times, Rishis, so many Munis and great souls, so many incarnations, they brought and shared with us. They shared with us. When we are ready, we accept that. When we are not ready, when we are close our hearts and we are not able to get that nectar. When we are ready, definitely we get that nectar. So beautiful. Love you so much. Love you so much. It is already too late for us. Let us go to the dining hall, all of you, no? Love you, love you, love you, love you. Gazillions of times I love you. Infinite times how much you love Amma? How much? Only that much. Only that much. Only that much. I want to see you how much you love me. I love you. I love you so much. I love you like anything, no? Come all of you for the lunch. Love you so much. Love you so much. How much you love? So much means sky much. I love you sky much. I love you sky much. Infinite times I love you, sir. Beautiful, love you so much. Come all of you soon to the lunch, no? We have to go.
Durge, 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 Shri Karuna Maiya.